So, I have a plan for tonight and maybe tomorrow. I'm just going to try and get through these races as quickly as I can. I'm just going to get through these races because there's only 6. I mean, what's the point of wasting time here? There are only 40 laps each with practice qualifying and then race. No heat races, nothing like that. Just qualifying and a heat race. That's it. I'm not even gonna fucking practice. 13.78. Oh, my pedals are cold as hell. Oh shit. What the fuck is this truck about? Stop it. Fuck me. Alright. 12. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go 87% loose, I guess. Oh, shit. Maybe this is not a good idea to race here. I don't know yet. We'll find out. Okay. Yeah, it does that fucking stupid shit. Connor, get the fuck out of the way. Dude, you gotta move. Johnson, come on, brother. I'm just dumping motherfuckers because I'm not even trying. Oh! Whoever that was just fucking died. I just witnessed a murder. Oh shit. I'm fucking this up. This is not a good track for me, it seems like. That's okay. It is a Pennsylvania track. Apparently, it's not a fucking good track. Apparently in Pennsylvania. Now it's all. Or if you're just joining me. Oh, you bitch. Calm down, guys. Come on. Oh, Parker. You gotta move, brother. Washington. Come on, you fucking moron. Dumb bitch. It's just over here wrecking every motherfucker. Look at this shit. I thought I was bad. Vincent Jackson was worse than me, apparently. Don't just sit in front of me. You gotta fucking move. Cook, get the fuck out of here, idiot. Goddamn, Vincent, what are you doing? Stop wrecking motherfuckers in my line. Like, seriously, dude. Gotta fucking stop. It's not fucking cool, my guy. This bitch. Okay, fucking piece of shit. You're an asshole. Whoever that was, you're an asshole. Peterson, fuck off. Good God, guys, come on. You can't just fucking sit in front of me for no reason. When I sit in front of me, fucking go. Super late models, SRX, and trucks. Other than that, so the other two classes, again, basically, 305 is those are the numbers. Seven to go. I mean, it's pretty much foretold in the stars that we're not winning this one, but that's okay. Like, so we're first going to get a good amount of points for seasons. I'm okay with that. And this track is getting absolutely insane for these trucks. Like, case in point right there. Or my point exactly right there. I'm so glad there's not a rear mode race, or else my truck would be fucked. We might have to turn data draft for this series. Or just in general. Just for championship and stuff. Because holy third. Oh, wait. Alright, we're still in first and okay, Vincent Jackson, or Adam Dixon Jr., I see you. Well, whatever the fuck we just witnessed is how this episode is going to end. So that's part 2 of 6 for the Stadium Trucks Oval series. I don't even know what the hell you can call that race that we just witnessed. Durango Park was fun. And then we go to Farm Mill. What the fuck? And then we have Madison Lake, Ridge Bluff, which I believe Ridge Bluff is like the almost like Rockberry, Mesa View, and Sierra Sands. Let me take a look at the Stadium Truck stuff. Obviously, I want my truck. Yeah, Farm Mill, Madison Lake. Mesa View is that one. Okay. Oh no, Ridge Bluff's a triangle. Sierra Sands is that one. I could swear there was one that's like a... Nope, not in the super late models. It's in the late models. I'm pretty sure. The hell is it called? Oh yeah, Plum Branch. It's not Rockberry. Skull Valley. That's what I was thinking of. But no, Mesa View is that one, Ridge Bluff is that one, and Sierra Sands is that one. I believe that's the last ones. I believe those are the last ones. Obviously, Madison Lake, you've seen that one in the World of Outlaws game, so doesn't really mean anything to do to show you that one again. But this is only a 14-minute video. Well, 15 minutes, but I will see you guys very soon. Peace.